If you are looking for how to insert Hijri date in header in MS Words, then don't skip this video. So first you need to go to the insert or click on the header and click on the edit header. And now you can see that the header portion is enabled. So after that, on the left side you will see that date and time. Click on that, and here you will see that the Georgian dates, which is the on the right side. You will see that some languages are also here, like example is English. So you need to click on this Arabic Saudi Arabia, and then also in the calendar type you need to select the Hijri dates. So make sure you should check this update automatically, so the date will be changed automatically. Now select the date of your choice. This is the format of Hijri dates. For example, I want to insert this format. So click on this, click OK, and here you can see that the Hijri date is inserted in the header. And now double click on the inside the page. The header portion will be deselected now. If you want to enable header portion, then double click on the header and then you will be routed to the same header. And now your header portion will be enabled now. And go to the date and time and accordingly change it to the Hijri date. And then click OK. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.